Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com and today in this video we are at ATS Le Grandiose project which is located in sector 150 Noida. This project is sprawled over 18 acres of land and carries 13 number of towers with 26 number of floors each. It total comprises of 500 number of units. So here you can take the exterior view of project towers. It's an under construction project. And now we are giving you the interior view of a sample apartment. So here you can take the interior view of modular kitchen. Very well furnished with various cabinets, as here in this video you can see. So these are the cupboards. Very well crafted. And this modular kitchen also has separate utility area. So here is the spacious living room, and now we are moving towards the bedroom area. So friends, this is the spacious bedroom of this apartment. And this is an attached washroom with this bedroom. And here you can see a wide balcony attached with the bedroom. From here you can take the exterior view of society. So this we are giving you the view from balcony. It's a grand project by ATS Group. So this is the entrance lobby. Here you can see the spacious living room. Very spacious. And skillfully designed. Here you can see the washroom. This we have entered into the bedroom area. And over there you can see an attached balcony. So friends, again from this balcony you can take the exterior view of society. And now we are moving towards the huge and wide balcony attached with the living room, as here you can see. Quite spacious balcony, or you can say the sit out area. And here we are giving you the exterior view of project from Service Road. So this is the surrounding. Thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.